I'll have to get the, I think it's 9/16. So let's see if this comes on just normal, because the other one came up English. So that's telling me it's going to be a, you know what, a bitch to try to get it to. Let's see what it says. Nope, see? When you see that, that's when you know it's going to be some work. Because at Airlift, they should have had this all programmed already, and it's not. And that's why it's going to be bad. That's it. All right, ready?
Yep.
You feel my pain? Twist it sideways, and then you can come straight on in. And if you look at this here, wow, this is why this car road rough. See this thing right here?
Yeah.
That makes this car ride like shit. The Nismo, when you take this off, the Nismo will ride way better with this off, but this is stopping the car from
Bursting.
yeah. So this is a problem. Instead of Nismo doing a different spring setup, they add this shit to it. So,
It's lazy.
yep, pretty much. So that's front left. We're gonna get the front right. They will fall down, trust me. They got a good thing with that steering. Screwed it now. Tighten them up. Now stay. Oh no. Wait, is that 10? Okay, cool. Sweet.
Bet you gonna. Best 'cause you say I have trouble staying sober. Take this pain away. This ain't never gonna change your mind. I bet you gonna. gonna best cause you say I have trouble staying sober. Take this pain away. This ain't never gonna change, I'm lying. I bet you gonna best cause you say I have